Today we'll teach you how to apply correction on your bands. We have a program loaded and we'll press the start button to get the machine ready. Once ready, we will press the foot pedal to execute the first band on 90 degrees on a 30 mm long flange. Using a protractor, we'll check the angle of our bands. The manual tools shows it is still a bit open to the be precise set manual 91 degree. To correct this, we must touch here on our main page. This opens the correction page where we simply enter our manual angle after touching here. As you can see, the values of axes Y1 and Y2 are automatically corrected accordingly. Our angle is not corrected, but it is not the only dimension. We must check the baggage position. Let's correct the x-axis value here and enter the difference to the disaster dimension. Our first band is not perfect, and we can come back to the main page to proceed in the same manner with any other correction need. One last quick tip, the baggage correction can be directly applied from the main page by touching here and here. Thank you for watching.